Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Benks Glass Warrior Screen Protector for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thank you to Benks for sending this out. I reviewed some of their iPhone stuff here on the channel a couple weeks ago, and it did very well. So I reached back out to them and asked if they wanted to provide some stuff for my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and they kindly agreed. They sent out a few different accessories, a case, and one of their MagSafe grip rings and stands. So I will be reviewing those in a later video. But in this video, we're going to be switching out the AM film glass screen protector I have on it right now, and putting on the Benks Glass Warrior screen protector. So I haven't even opened it yet. I'm going to go ahead and get the plastic off here, which I probably should have done beforehand, but we'll go ahead and unbox the screen protector here and do everything on camera for you guys so you can see the installation process. Alright, so let's take a look. I'm going to move the phone out of the way here for a second, and we'll get everything we need out. Alright, nothing else in the box. So we've got our little installation instruction sheet right here. So just step by step, clean it off, put the frame on, get the screen protector off the protective layer, all that kind of stuff. Just your basic framed screen protector installation. And inside here we have all the stuff we need. We've got the screen protector right here, which just comes on one of those backings. It doesn't look like it has a top or bottom, so that is nice. And let's see, we've got some more stuff in here. Dust removal sticker. I was like, they give you a regular just like graphic sticker in there to put on something, but no, it's just a dust removal sticker. And we have a wipe, microfiber cloth, and some smaller dust removal stickers right here. So that is that. Put all that off to the side here. We're going to go ahead and bring the phone over and take the screen protector off, the existing screen protector off. And we'll get rid of that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and give it the old wipe down here with this wipe. And I like that everything that they give you is nice and large. It's not those little, rinky-dink wipes that you have to, takes forever to wipe the screen down, because the wipe only, wipes a very small portion of the screen at one time. Don't have that here. Alright, so there's already a screen protector on it, so it's not that smudged up or anything, because it's always had a screen protector on it. So we're going to go ahead and wipe it off. I just always like to, if I remove an existing screen protector, I like to make sure to focus on the edges of the screen where the other screen protector doesn't overlap, because I find that that is where the buildup always is and stuff like that. So it's easier to get that area gunked up with the new one, because sometimes the new one doesn't, it might go over farther or something like that, and it gets a lot of dust under it. So that's where I focus on the most. So nice large dust removal sticker here. It's not going to take you forever to get that off. So we're going to do that a few times and then put the frame on here. Now this is labeled top right here, so make sure you put that on correctly. Now once we get that on, we do have some dust that has fallen onto the device, just moving it around and stuff. So we're going to use our sticker again and just make sure we get everything off. And then just for extra, well maybe, oh there they are. Just to be sure, we're going to go around the edges with the smaller ones. And just touch up any areas that might have gotten some dust on it, like so. And that looks pretty good to me. So now we're going to take our screen protector here and remove it from the protective bit without breaking it. Like so. And we're going to set it in our alignment frame. And just give it a wipe down the middle. And there we go. That actually went on very quickly. And I don't see any bubbles at all. Wipe that off. Yeah, right off the bat, no bubbles, no dust. Very, very clean installation. Very nice. It's got the small border around it, so it should be obviously case friendly. Not with a Benks screen protector, but with a AM film one. I did have an issue with an OtterBox case with my Pixel. So we'll try this with all different types of cases and stuff like that. If I do find any cases that I have issues with down the road, I'll put them in the description of what cases it doesn't really work with. But it looks like it's going to be pretty much compatible with anything. It lined up nice. It just has a little small edge right there for cases, but it protects all the screen itself. We'll go ahead and unlock the phone here, and then lock it again and check our fingerprint. There we go. The phone is still loading there. That's why it took a second, but as you can see, the fingerprint works just fine. I didn't have to go in and set it back up or anything like that. This is just the original setup from the other screen protectors that I've had on the phone, but very, very happy with that. And I haven't made the video on this case yet, but this is the case they also sent out, their carbon fiber case. I'll go ahead and put that back on. That's what was on my phone before. And as you can see there, that pretty much gives you edge-to-edge protection right there. Because the case doesn't go all the way over, it does leave a little bit of a gap for like swipe gestures and stuff like that, which I really like. But that is the case with that screen protector. That is the Benks Glass Warrior screen protector. And as always, there will be a link down in the description to where you can pick one up and stuff like that. If you click that link and you don't have an S24 Ultra, you can always find the other devices that you may be looking for through that link as well, and I still get credit for those purchases, so that really helps out the channel. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.